In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. Carmine bee-eaters have flown hundreds of miles from the rainforests of the Congo. They're a perfect place to nest. Bee-eater burrows can extend for 2 meters into the soft river sand. Already home to 6,000 nests, but it pays not to build too close to the neighbours. As more birds arrive, competition for the best nesting sites heats up. In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. African fish eagles. They are permanent residents here. But at this time of the year, they don't just eat fish. The safest place to be is inside a burrow. But an eagle flyby sends shockwaves of panic through the colony. The eagle's strategy is to pin their prey against the riverbank. With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage. These fish eagles also choose to breed in the dry season because they need the bee-eaters as food for their chicks.